Curious how to master perfect lighting in your shots? Welcome to a new 2 minutes posing tutorial. How are you doing? Today's pose will take your boudoir photography to the next level. I'll show you exactly how in just 2 minutes, starting now. Today's pose is a stunning one that beautifully and sensually showcases the model's legs, hips and back. It's also a very simple pose that flatters virtually every body type. Here's how it's done. I'll ask our model to lay on the stomach on the bed, keeping her knees and feet together. I then guide her to push her upper body slightly upward using her elbows, which are positioned directly under her shoulder. Her stomach should remain resting on the bed. Her hair is arranged neatly down her back and her gaze is directed forward. Next, I'll guide her to bend one leg at a time, bringing her toes towards her glutes while keeping the other leg extended. This adds a dynamic and elegant touch to the pose. We're shooting with natural light comes from the large windows to her right. I position myself slightly behind her to the left, standing above her for a flattering angle. Camera settings, I shoot with an aperture of f1.8. The shutter speed is 1/200th of a second and the ISO is set at 100. Your boudoir photos deserve the best look. Grab our Best of Boudoir awarded presets and take your images to the next level. I begin the editing by choosing one of our beautiful Boudoir Secrets Masterclass presets, in this case the black and white bright and airy preset. Next, I adjust the white balance to 5500 Kelvin with a tint of 15. I increase the exposure by 1 stop to brighten the image. After that, I review the crop and upright alignment, ensuring the model is perfectly framed in the shot. Finally, I use the healing or spot repair tool to touch up any minor imperfections on the skin. And just like that, our beautiful boudoir photo is complete. Hope you got tons of inspiration from this one. If you did, then you'll love this next video. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. And if you're serious about taking your photography to the next level, check out my 6-week challenge, the online photography course. All the details are in the description.